Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to organize team tasks effectively using Wrike, a dynamic project management platform designed to streamline collaboration and boost productivity. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, Wrike offers tools to keep everyone aligned and on track. Let's dive into how to get started. Create your Wrike workspace. Start by signing up for a Wrike account on their website. Once inside, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Set up your workspace and invite team members by sending them email invitations. Set up projects and folders. Wrike organizes work into projects and folders. Create a new project for each major initiative. Then use folders to group related tasks. For example, you might have folders for marketing, development, or client onboarding within a larger project. Add and assign tasks. Break down your projects into actionable tasks. For each task, include a clear description, attach relevant files, and set a due date. Assign tasks to specific team members so everyone knows their responsibilities. Customize task views. Wrike offers multiple views, including list, board, Gantt chart, and calendar. Use the board view for agile workflows, Gantt chart for timeline planning, and calendar for tracking deadlines. You can switch between views based on what works best for your team. Collaborate in real time. Use Wrike's collaboration tools to enhance communication. Add comments to tasks, tag teammates for updates, and share files directly within the platform. This reduces the need for endless email chains and keeps all project details in one place. Set up automations. Streamline repetitive processes with Wrike's automation features. Create rules to automatically assign tasks, update statuses, or send notifications based on specific triggers. This helps your team focus on meaningful work instead of admin tasks. Track progress and generate reports. Wrike's reporting tools allow you to monitor team performance and project status. Use pre-built templates or create custom reports to analyze productivity, identify bottlenecks, and ensure projects stay on track. Integrate with other tools. Wrike integrates seamlessly with platforms like Google Drive, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and more. These integrations make it easy to bring all your tools together, ensuring a smooth workflow. With Wrike, organizing team tasks becomes simple and efficient, enabling you to manage projects with clarity and precision. Have you tried Wrike for task management? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next one.